If betrayal is happening, it doesn't always show up in texts. It shows up in how she shares a bed with you. Most men hunt for proof in public hidden messages, late meetings, a sudden need for passwords. But here's the twist: when a woman is cheating, the bedroom often becomes the first place her mask slips. She might deny it. She might swear nothing's wrong. Yet her body language can tell a different story. In this video, I'm walking you through 8 things women commonly do in bed when they're being unfaithful, so you can spot the pattern before it drains you. Quick favor before we jump in: a lot of viewers watch and never subscribe. If you want more calm, straight-to-the-point relationship insight with a stoic edge, subscribe and turn on notifications. And if any of these signs hit home, tap like. It tells the algorithm this topic matters. Ready? Let's start. Number 1. She keeps her back to you. She used to lean in, cuddle, or at least reach for you. Now it's wall-facing, arms tucked, zero warmth. Is she just tired, or is she slowly checking out? When her attention is going elsewhere, distance begins with bedtime habits. Number 2. The phone never leaves her hand, even under the covers. At midnight, it's not casual scrolling, it's guarded behavior. Screen down, quick taps, a sudden lock when you move. If she's messaging someone else, that device becomes a barrier between you. Number 3. She gets oddly experimental overnight. New moves, new positions, bolder energy without a single conversation. You didn't request it. You didn't even hint at it. So where did the sudden confidence come from? Experience usually has a source, and it's not always you. Number 4. She stops initiating anything physical. Kissing fades. Touching first disappears. It's not shyness. It's not a random phase. It's disconnection. And when she disconnects from you, it's often because she's plugging into someone else. Number 5. She won't undress in front of you anymore. She used to change freely, walk around, relaxed, totally comfortable. Now she turns away, covers up fast, and avoids being seen. Why would someone hide from the person they love? Guilt has a way of making people shrink. Number 6. She falls asleep immediately, every time. Not normal tired avoidance, tired. No talking, no cuddling, no eye contact. Ever notice how sleep becomes a shortcut when someone doesn't want to feel? If guilt is loud, sleep is the off switch. Number 7. Even when you're close, she feels empty. You touch her, she allows it, but there's no spark, no energy, no passion, no presence. Physical closeness means very little when her mind is already somewhere else, replaying someone else. Number 8. She avoids looking you in the eyes during the quiet moments. After sex, before sleep, in the dark. She once held your gaze like it meant something. Now she turns away or keeps her eyes shut, because if she looks at you, she sees the person she's deceiving. Here's the truth. Cheating doesn't begin it shows up beside you in silence, in posture, in missing connection. Too many men explain it away, hoping it's temporary. But if she's doing several of these things consistently, she's already emotionally gone. Her body may be there, but her heart isn't. Trust breaks quietly, then everything else follows. And if you're noticing one sign, don't spiral, watch for patterns over weeks, not one rough night right now. If this helped you think clearer, hit like and subscribe to Stoic Mind Factory for more real relationship signals and stoic guidance. Share it with a friend who needs a wake-up call.